This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Vidi Payne. Charming brick ranch home. Offering 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, living room, dining room, kitchen, laundry room, big fenced backyard and 1 car attached garage. Hall bathroom has been remodeled. New vinyl flooring in kitchen, laundry room, and hall bathroom. Property has central air and gas heating. 1 small pet under 50 pounds okay. No smoking on the premises. Available for immediate move-in. For more information, review the details below.